There's two bolts that hold the caliper on. Take them off in the back, and then your caliper should just slide out. You can let it sit on the top, try not to let it dangle, and then your brakes pads should just come right off. Okay, if you have to replace your rotor, this bracket will have to come off. There's two bolts on the back. You just take those bolts off, and this bracket will just slip off. And then your rotor is able to just slide off. You can either get a brand new rotor, or you can take your rotor to the machine shop and have them resurfaced, and then put them back on, and then your bracket back on. Tighten the bracket. Show you how to push the piston back in. Take the old pad that you're replacing and put it back in the caliper so you have something to push against. Now use a C-clamp. And just squeeze that piston back in. This way it'll go back in straight. Make sure it's not going in crooked, and it should go back all the way in. Take the C-clamp out, inner pad out. You're ready for the new brake pads. Sometimes it's a tight fit getting those pads in there. You take the caliper, slide it back over the top of them. Line it up. Put the two bolts holding it back in place. Tighten it down. You're ready for the wheel.